Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Our today's video topic is function keys in SolidWorks. The function keys are present on our computer keyboard or laptop keyboard. The function keys are like F1, F2 up to F12 so on. So we are discussing these function keys one by one with its functions. Okay, now let's get started our today's topic. Our first function key is F1, that means SolidWorks Web Help. We need to press F1 key from our keyboard, and you can see here on your computer screen the SolidWorks Web Help screen is displayed. Please remember, F1 is the shortcut key for SolidWorks Web Help. This Web Help is directly connected to the SolidWorks Help Center. For access this help, we need internet connection. If you have queries regarding SolidWorks, then press F1 key from your keyboard, and after pressing F1 key, you will redirectly on SolidWorks Help Center. Okay, that's it. This is F1 key. Our next function key is F3. F3 is used for quick snap window. In quick snap window, you can snapping points are present. These snapping points used in snap any points in our 2D drawing. Please remember, in 2D drawing, because this quick snap window is unable in only 2D drawing. Okay, in quick snap window contains center point snap, midpoint snap, quadrant snap, intersection, tangent, angle, and grid snap, so on. This window is like reference in our drawing. So please remember, F3 is a shortcut key for quick snap window. You can see here in 3D the quick snap window is disabled. You cannot edit in 3D. You can edit only 2D environment. Our next function key is F5 and F6. These both are used for toggle selection filter toolbar. Okay, the F5 is used for toggle selection filter toolbar and F6 is used for toggle selection filter. You can see here in the lower left corner the toggle selection filter toolbar is present. You can see here they are containing parameters. So please remember, F5 and F6 both are used for toggle selection filter. Okay, now our next function key is F7. The F7 is used for spell checking. This spell checking is used in our drawing environment, that means drafting environment. If you have a text in your drawing, so you can check your spellings from your drawing by using spell checker. For that we need to press F7 key. You can see here on the screen. Now next is F8. In F8 you can hide and show your display pane. You can see here on a computer screen. Here I am hiding and showing the display pane. Now our next command is, our next function key is F9. F9 is used for feature manager tree area hiding. You can see here after pressing F9 the feature tree is hide. Now our next function key is F10. In F10 the toolbar is hide. Now you can see here after pressing F10 the toolbar is hide. Now our next command is, our next function key is F11, that means full screen. Now I am pressing here F11 key. Now you can see here the object is now full screen. That's it class. This is the working function of function keys in SolidWorks. I hope now you can understand shortcut keys for function keys. If you like our today's video tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated design videos, tips and tricks in AutoCAD as well as SolidWorks. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.